Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can view your watch list over on TradingView. So TradingView currently has a watchlist feature where you can literally add any pair over to your watch list, and you can also modify that list by adding a lot of different options and all those kind of things. But if you want to actually view that watch list, what you need to do is first of all just head over to one of these charts right here. So once you're at this screen right here, it can be any pair, simply head over to the top right corner of your screen, and then literally under publish you will right here find watch list details and news. So what you want to do is you want to click on that, and then right here, this is where your watch list is basically. It may be look a little bit different for you, but yeah, you can just modify it to make it look like this. So there are a few things what you can do right here. You can add a symbol by clicking on this plus icon right here, and that's how you can add a symbol. And you can also add a section. So currently we have the section, for example, with high volume coins I want to long, and also market movers. So if you want to add sections like this, click on those little dots, and then what you need to do is click on add section, and then you right here find a new section, and you can simply add whatever you want to that exact section. So yeah, that's basically what you need to know about the watch list and how you can find it. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.